Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a form to a SharePoint online page. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in SharePoint, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, adding a form to a SharePoint online page can be done using the Microsoft's form or the SharePoint's built-in form capabilities, alright? Now, just choose the page that you are currently working on and click on Edit. What will happen is, you will be forwarded with this plus button here. Just give me 1 second. This one. When you hover your mouse on the plus button, it will give you a pop-up that says add a new web part on one column. And all I'm gonna do is hover down below where it says forms. Should be able to see it. There you go. Under data analysis, click on Microsoft Forms. Now, you see when you do that, you can have you can add a new form, or you can add an existing form. But for now, we're going to click on the new form and you can name this form. And hit on create. Just wait for it a little bit to load. Now, after creating or selecting the form on the share button, we need to get the embed code. All right. Just wait for it to load. It's not gonna take a while. All right, there you go. Now, all I'm gonna do is click on the collect responses. What will happen is on the forms, you can click on anyone can respond. All right, an anonymous response doesn't require sign in, which is a good thing. But if you wanted only people on this specific page can respond, all right, and click on send. Now the thing is, you can have an option to get this link right here. You can shorten URL, copy link. You see, you can send it to the people name, team groups or channel. And after that, you just click on start now to get more information. But I'm gonna skip that for now. You see it on the style, all right? You can attract more attention responses if you let AI use to create immersive styles for you. You have a lot of options. For example, this one right here, it's very dynamic, right? Now, of course, you can customize all of the information here. It's up to you, right? You see, it's like a call to action button, which is a very good thing, right? This is the section of the configuration panel. Now, once you are decided on the forms that you want, it'll automatically be added to your SharePoint. Now, you can effectively add a form to a SharePoint online page using either, again, the Microsoft Store, SharePoint, built-in form capabilities, or depending on your specific requirements for data collection. So it's all up to you, all right? Now, the forms created here in Microsoft Forms can be integrated with the other Microsoft 365 services and applications. Now, it will enhance collaboration and workflow automation, obviously. All right. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.